A Galaxy S24 may start losing signal due to software glitches, physical obstructions, or issues with the network provider's service. If you have a problem like this, here's what you should do. Firstly, perform a forced restart to clear out any minor bugs affecting your connection. Just press and hold both the power and volume down buttons until your phone vibrates and reboots. Once you see the Samsung logo, let go of the buttons and wait for the phone to start up. If you're still facing issues, try stepping into an open space away from obstructions that could block your signal. For persistent problems, resetting your mobile network settings might do the trick. To do it, launch Settings, then tap General Management. Tap Reset and choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. On the next screen, tap Reset Settings to proceed. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to your carrier for assistance with potential network outages or issues in your area. We hope this video helps you stay connected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.